Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. Another song coming up from Sam Fender. This one is called Something Heavy, and it's so simple to play, guys. If you love this song, then I really recommend to give it a chance. We have pretty much 3 chords. They're rolling the same way through the entire song. Very simple strumming, and yeah, that's the beauty of playing guitar and making songs. It doesn't have to be too hard. So let's go into this one, Something Heavy, and we're gonna look into the chords without any capo here. We're gonna play the E minor chord, or technically the E minor add 9. So what you're gonna play here is the open E string, 2nd A, 4th D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, that's E minor part. Next is the G major 13. What you're gonna do here from this E minor grip is just to add the 3rd fret on the E string. All right, everything else will be the same, so you just add 1 finger. So therefore, I recommend you to hold the E minor with the index finger on the 2nd A and your ring finger on the 4th D. There you have now the possibility to just throw in the mid finger between there to get the G chord. So that gives us 3rd on E, 2nd A still, 4th D, and then just open strings down there. All right, that's the G part. And then we have the D. Okay, that's a D version of it. Looks like a C shape, but it goes 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. There you have the chords, and then we're just gonna add with some notes. I'm gonna come to that, but first let's start with the strumming. So if you go back to the E minor chord like this, you have the strumming that goes down, down, up. Okay, so very easy, like this. Okay, so down, down, up. Okay, so a couple rounds. Okay, so the first down I play on the bass to really mark out what chord I'm playing. And then I answer the down up a little bit on the mid area here. For all of these chords, I try to stay away from the absolute highest notes down here. Okay, we don't want that to ring out too much. We want to stay in the mid bass area when it comes to strings here, where to strum. Okay, so bass, down, up, bass. Okay, so what you're gonna do here is to play 1 on the E minor, then you're gonna play 1 on the G, then 1 on D, and then when you play the 1 on D, you're gonna go to this part here. Okay, so what you're gonna play here is to hold the 2nd fret D string and try to get that action there. So you're gonna do it in a strumming fashion. So what you play is 2 times on the 2nd fret D string and then open D. So down, down, up. Okay, and what I do here, I also have the supportive open A string when I play this. So it's very pointy here, almost like you play the exact note, but I do it like in a short strumming fashion, like short strumming movement, very pointy, not all over the place. We want to get these notes, so like that. Okay, so slowly 1 round goes. Okay, so in tempo. Okay, so there you have it, guys. 3 chords and this ending with the notes there, and that is Something Heavy coming out from Sam Fender. All right, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you're a fan of Sam, then make sure you look into my other tutorials. The latest album is going out there from Going Guitar, a couple songs at least, and we also have older ones, so check them out and hope to see you soon, guys. Till next time, play tuned.